Today, we have the Frankenstrat. And this guitar was bought several months ago when we were getting the studio set up. And we did unboxing, we did a couple things with it. But we haven't really played on it much. And today I kind of just went through, tuned it up. It has a weird Floyd Rose. I'm not sure it's real. It does say Floyd Rose. I mean, it's a Floyd Rose 2, supposedly. Never really cared for the Floyd Rose 2. It's got the quarter, but it's, of course, the wrong year. It's 1997 on this one. The switch is bypassed like you would expect on a proper Frankenstrat. It does have this neck pickup, but it's kind of just wired in sequence. Pickups could be better. That may be changed out in the future, but it kind of gives it a nasty tone for what it is. It does have the reflectors glued to the back, which is a nice little touch. And it has the No Bozos neck plate. It does say VH on the headstock. And it's got these generic, kind of Groverish style or Schaller style tuners. Decent little R3 style nut. But how does it play? And of course I'm going to put on an 80s tone on the fractal just to see. So let's see what she does. She doesn't sound bad. I like it a lot. The neck has this weathered finish and it feels like it just set outside. Who knows, maybe that's how they did it. It's got this proper amount of wear. Looks like it was spray painted and then just kind of drug around for years. And everything is so right in the way it's so wrong. It's a Frankenstrat copy. I'm not sure I would trust that for some kind of deep dives, but I kind of love this thing. I'm not liking the Floyd Rose 2. The pickups are noisy, but the guitar is actually really good. Even the fretwork's really good. You can see someone went in by hand and kind of shaved these. Okay, so that is the Frankenstrat for what it is. Again, I can upgrade the pickups on it. I may not. I kind of like how dirty and grungy it sounds. Eddie had better stuff, obviously, but that's what made it special, right? It was the ugly body, Kramer neck, all that stuff with just everything he threw on his. And we could do that. We could make it a real replica. But yeah, I kind of dig it. I really love it has the reflectors. I really love that they got most of their placements right. I'm not mad at this purchase. I picked this guitar up quite often when I first got it, and I think I will be again. All right, thanks for watching.